The Rajasthan government is facing a lot of outrage over the horrifying murder of a temple priest in Karoli district. The Gehlot government, that's why, is expected to form an SIT to probe the incident. Governor Kalraj Mishra spoke to Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot and expressed concern over the law and order situation in the state. Chief Minister Gehlot reportedly assured the governor that the probe is on and that the guilty will not be spared. The main accused has been arrested, but 7 others who are also named in this case are absconding. As per reports, the absconding 7 accused may have fled to neighbouring Madhya Pradesh. BSP Supremo Mayawati also slammed the Gehlot government. She said just like Uttar Pradesh, crime in Rajasthan is also increasing under the Congress rule. She alleged that Rahul and Priyanka only met with the Hathras victims' family for political reasons. The priest's family, remember, have put across several demands which have been accepted by the Gehlot government. They will now get a compensation of 10 lakh rupees, government job for one of the victims' kin and a house under Indira Awas scheme.
पुजारी को जिंदा जला दिया गया। मंदिर माफी की जमीन के अंदर काम करने वाला पुजारी अपना मकान बना रहा है, वहां पर उसके मकान नहीं है रहने का, उसका पूरा परिवार है और उसके गुंडे आजकल जंगल राज गुंडों का पूरा दबंगियत वहां पर पुलिस के ऊपर फायरिंग करते हैं। पुलिस आत्महत्या कर रही है। आप आत्महत्या के रिकॉर्ड देख लिए पुलिस के, वो बढ़ते जा रहे हैं। पुलिस घबराई हुई है क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं पॉलिटिकल प्रोटेक्शन मिल रहा है और पॉलिटिकल प्रोटेक्शन राजस्थान की राज्य सरकार को भी मिल रहा है क्योंकि उनकी जो लीडरशिप है वो पॉलिटिकल पर्यटन कर रही है।
There's also been a lot of politics. The BJP and the Congress are crossing swords over the killing of this temple priest in Rajasthan's Karoli. Questioning Rahul and Priyanka, BJP is asked why the Congress High Command is silent now on this case. The Gehlot government, meanwhile, has accepted to fulfill all of the family's demands. Remember, so far, almost 7 of the accused are at large.
A fresh round of war of words between the BJP and Congress. After Hathras, it's Karoli now. The Bharatiya Janata Party using the brutal murder of Rajasthan temple priest to launch a direct attack on Rahul and Priyanka Gandhi, accusing them of selective outrage.
जिस तरह से कल पुजारी जी को जलाया गया, दिन दहाड़े जलाया गया पुजारी जी को, इस पर कोई बात नहीं बोल रहे हैं राहुल गांधी जी और प्रियंका वाड्रा जी। और उत्तर प्रदेश के हाथरस पर पूरी राजनीति करने आ गए थे, दंगा कराने की साजिश कर रही थी कांग्रेस यहां पर। तो आप राजस्थान भी चले जाइए, क्यों नहीं जाते कांग्रेस के नेता?
This is not all. The Gehlot-led Congress government also faces charges of increasing crime graph.
In Rajasthan, the government has been totally trying to protect itself, and a government that is always trying to protect itself is never be able to protect the people, and therefore such people who fear nothing will burn a priest alive.
When India Today confronted the chief minister, he chose to be evasive.
सर वो करौली वाले मामले पे एक बार क्या सर बीजेपी कह रही है सरकार का रवैया लचर है। गहलोत साहब सर करौली इंसिडेंट पे क्या कहना है आपका?
A 3-member BJP delegation also visited the agitating priest's family, who refused to cremate till their demands were met.
पुलिस कर्मी और पटवारी जो आरोपी है, ये वो कर रहे हैं, उनका साथ दे रहे हैं, इनके साथ भी कार्रवाई हो।
With mounting pressure, the Gehlot government decided to oust the SHO under fire and even assured strict action against the culprits. The priest's family will also now get a compensation of 10 lakh rupees, government job for 1 member and a house under Indira Awas scheme. With their demands met, the family finally carried out the last rites of the priest. On the probe front, the cops have launched a manhunt for the 5 accused who are still at large. The main accused, identified as Kailash Meena, is being grilled for clues on others. While the Gehlot government has assured the victim's family of justice, the big question is, will they deliver on their promise? With Devankar Vadhavan in Jaipur and Sharat Kumar in Karoli, Bureau Report, India Today.
Devankur is joining us live this morning with all the latest updates on the story. Dev, keeping the politics aside for a while, there are questions being asked about why all the accused have still not been nabbed. Considering the pressure that the Gehlot government is under, are we expecting an announcement today on the formation of an SIT?
Well, the police officials, senior police officials that visited Karoli to meet the family members yesterday, Akshita had already mentioned that a special investigation team will be formed because today is the fourth day. The Karoli priest Babulal Vaishnav was burnt alive in Karoli, and it was a horrific, brutal, murder that happened. The SIT team has been formed, or the nuances of that will be formalized because the police believes that the remaining accused, apart from the one prime accused who has already been arrested, may have fled to different states, and to be able to nab them they need probably coordination or cooperation from other states, and that is why probably they think that it is important to form this SIT team so that coordination can happen with different states. Already the Gehlot government has received a lot of flack because so far, even after so many days have passed, the remaining accused have not been nabbed in the case. Initially, it is, the allegation has been that the police was late in reacting to this entire matter. If the entire area could have been, the district borders could have been cordoned off, then probably the accused could have been nabbed earlier itself, but that did not happen, and that is why one of those allegations is against the SHO, against whom the government has promised strict action. Akshita?
Okay, Dev, we'll be tracking closely the latest on the investigation front. As they've pointed out, several accused are still absconding, yet to be nabbed by the authorities in this case.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.